Hello, it's Christmas, and you know what's strange? Some might even say Stranger Things. We keep all of our Christmas ornaments high up in the ceiling on the garland so the kids can't mess with them and break them. But this morning, I came out and I saw that 11 from Stranger Things was broken. So in today's video, we will repair her. So go ahead and grab yourself some waffles and let's go to the upside down as we repair 11 from Stranger Things. In this video, we're going to be repairing 11. We're going to be putting both of her legs and her head back on. Hopefully this will be a fast, easy step. What we're going to use is E6000 clear transparent glue. It's a very good glue. We're going to use toothpicks, a drill, and a drill bit. You want to get the drill bit about the size, the same thickness as the toothpick, or maybe a little bit thicker or a little bit bigger. Using the toothpicks to hopefully help add like a skeleton to brace her, to make her a little bit stronger than just the glue. Like it's a close enough fit right there with the toothpick, so when I add the glue. Just using the toothpick to push in the glue, make sure the glue gets inside there. A little bit of glue right here. Just make sure the glue gets inside the hole. Add some glue on the other toothpick. Just wiping away some of the excess glue right here. Alright, so to let her dry, I'm going to put some tape to help support her head on. And I have a shot glass. To let her dry. And there you go, now 11 is in the upside down. So here's the glue that we used. It's E6000, the clear and flexible. This glue right here is what my wife has showed me. And ever since then, now this is the glue that I use for all my projects. All right, so now she's been drying for 24 hours with the E6000 glue. Now it's safe to remove the tape. And there's where her legs were broken. And you can see where her head was broken. So there you go. Now 11 is all dry and back on the Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.